This is James with Damascus Enterprises. Your pond is leaking from your plumbing. The question is, do you have to drain your pond to fix it? The good news is, you probably will not have to drain your pond to fix that plumbing. You may be able to use a tool to plug that pipe instead. This is called a sweat jet. The sweat jet comes in a kit, like the one you see here, for plumbing sizes 1/2 inch to 2 inch. If you don't have all of these tools, you can simply drain your pond to perform your plumbing repair. If you're going to drain your pond to perform these repairs, you're going to need holding tanks or somewhere to put your fish, because the last thing you want to do is risk them. So to use your sweat jet, you simply insert it into the pipe. You want to go a little bit deep, usually around 6 inches if it's possible, and then you're going to turn this nut right here. You use a socket, a crescent wrench, or in this case, a socket wrench. You simply go down through here, crank it on till it's good and tight. You don't need to over tighten it. You just go until that water stops. So you have your Get Swet installed in your pipe. You've stopped your leaking. Now we need to be able to get that tool back out. So what you'll have here is either typically a gate valve or a ball valve. You simply put it over. You use your glue, your primer, glue that on. Then you deflate that, pull it out, and close your valve, and then you can continue any repairs you need to do. In conclusion, if you have a leak in your plumbing, you're going to either have to drain your pond or purchase these tools to be able to make that repair without doing so.